to passes through 7, 5, we have to find the equation of the circle. Now this is 5, 2, and you have a circle, and the circle is actually passing through a point 7, 5. So what we are going to do, we are going to find this distance, and that would give us the radius. So this distance between the center and the point, say let me just take the point as CA, is equal to root of x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 the whole squared positive y2 minus y1 the whole squared. So 7 minus 5 the whole squared positive 5 minus 2 the whole squared. This is 2 squared, this is 3 squared. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, which will give us root of 13. So this is the distance, right? And this distance is going to be my radius. So therefore the equation of the circle is x minus h the whole squared positive y minus k the whole squared is equal to r squared. So if I were to take, now since the center is 5, 2, my h will be 5, k will be 2. So I'm going to substitute that value, x minus 5 whole squared positive y negative 2 whole squared. R is equal to root of 13, so this is root of 13 squared. So therefore the required equation is going to be x negative 5 the whole squared positive y negative 2 the whole squared is equal to 13. This is the equation of the circle. Now there is a second part to the question. Now it says a line y is equal to 5x negative 10 intersects the circle at A and B. So there is an intersection taking place. They are asking us to find the length of the chord. Now imagine this is the circle and the line is hitting, say at some point A and B like this. Now we have to find this length AB. So this is the solution. What I'm going to state here is, since y is equal to 5x negative 10 intersects the circle, this means if I take this as say sum 2, I'm going to substitute this in 2. Therefore 2 becomes x negative 5 the whole squared positive, in place of y it's going to be 5x negative 10 negative 2 the whole squared is equal to 13. Now you simplify and expand this. This is x squared negative 10x positive 25. This is going to be 5x negative 12 the whole squared. So you expand this, you get 25x squared negative 60 and 120x positive 144 negative 13 is equal to 0. So from 25 you take away 13, you get 12, and then from in 144 you add 12, you get 6 and 156, and then negative 10x negative 120, that's negative 130x. So you got an x squared with 25. You can add these two things, so it's going to be 26x squared and 130, fair enough, and this is 156 plus 156 is equal to 0. Now I want to know if 13 can divide 156. So 156, 13, 1 time, 2 times, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 ones are 2. So yes, 12 times. So what I can do is I can divide by 13 throughout. So this will be 2 times x squared, 10 times x, and this is 12 times is equal to 0. Now I divide by 2 throughout. This is x squared negative 5x positive 6 is equal to 0. Now you have to get 6 and you got to get negative 5. Now 3 times 2 is 6 and you add, you get negative 5. So x negative 3 and x negative 2 is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. Now since y is equal to 5x negative 10 is the equation of the circle of the straight line, you substitute y is equal to 3 over here. So this will give you y is equal to 15 negative 10. So y is equal to 5. Over here you substitute y is equal to 5 of 2 negative 10. You get y is equal to 0. So therefore the intersecting points, if we were to take it as a and b, this is going to be 3 comma 5 and this is going to be b of 2 comma 0. So if I were to take x1 y1 and x2 y2, if I were to find the distance AB, this is going to be square root of 2 negative 3 the whole square positive 0 negative 5 the whole square, right? So it's going to be square root of 2 negative 3, that's negative 1, you square it, you get 1. 5 squared is 25. So 25 added with 21, you get root of 26. So therefore AB, the length of AB is square root of 26 units. So that is the solution for this question. So it's a lovely question, students.